Hello, my name is Dr. Chandni Nakum and this channel is dedicated to all things teeth and dentistry. I'm a dentist based in the UK and I enjoy making people smile, not only from the outside but also from within. I want all of you to be able to understand your teeth better, so I'm trying to make complex information into simple, bite-sized and an easy way to understand more about your teeth. Today we are talking about dental erosion. So what is dental erosion? What causes dental erosion? The symptoms behind tooth erosion as well. How can it be prevented? And also how can it be treated? And much, much more. Make sure to watch till the end, where I'll be giving you some simple tips that you can try at home to help with your erosion. If this sounds good to you, then please subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and let's jump right into dental erosion. What is dental erosion? So dental erosion is the loss of the hard outer coating of the tooth called the enamel. The enamel is the outermost layer of the tooth which protects the dentine that lies underneath it. And when the enamel wears away due to erosion, this can lead to pain and sensitivity. What causes dental erosion? Erosion is commonly caused by acid, and this is usually from your diet. For example, by fizzy drinks, lemons, oranges, alcohol, and even ketchup. So every time that you have something acidic to eat or drink, the enamel becomes softer for a short period of time. The saliva in the mouth can then cancel out these acids and bring it back to its natural balance. But if you're having something acidic too often, the saliva hasn't had a chance to repair, and so that means that the small parts of the enamel can come away. There are also some medical conditions which can cause dental erosion too. For example, bulimia can cause dental erosion because there's a lot of acid in vomit. Also, people who suffer with hernias and acid reflux also have an increased chance of dental erosion because they produce acid internally, and then this can come up into the mouth. So if the diet can contribute to your dental erosion, then is there anything in your diet which can help to prevent the dental erosion? So like I mentioned, certain foods and drinks which are acidic can increase your chances of erosion. So things like fizzy drinks, alcohols, flavoured fizzy water, and even ketchup, because they all contain acids. If you're looking to try and swap these for something which doesn't increase your chances of erosion, then plain water or milk is best. But if you like sparkling water, then you can also try this because it doesn't have any kind of increased chances of erosion, but please make sure that it's unflavoured sparkling water. What about sports drinks? So a lot of sport drinks have been shown to contain ingredients which can increase your chances of erosion. And not only that, but some of them also contain a huge amount of sugar. So this also increases your chances of tooth decay. So the best thing to do would be to try and avoid them as much as you can. If, however, you have a sports drink which contains sweeteners or a different type of sugar, then it would also be worth having a look at my best and worst sugars for your teeth video, which goes through a lot of different sugars in a lot of detail. Like I mentioned earlier, here are some tips and tricks that you can try at home to help prevent your dental erosion. And there are a number of things that you can do. Number one, reduce the amount of acidic food and drink in your diet. I know that this is really difficult, especially especially if you're so used to having it in the first place. So if you can, try and reduce this and keep it to meal times only. This will help to reduce the amount of time that the acid has in contact with your teeth, and therefore will reduce the amount of dental erosion that will happen. Number 2, use a straw to drink any acidic drinks. This will mean that the drink will go straight towards the back of the mouth, and it will reduce the amount of contact it has with the rest of your teeth. Eat a piece of cheese or drink some milk, because this will help to cancel out the acids from the food and drink you've just eaten. Number 4, wait for an hour before brushing, because this will give your teeth some time to build up their mineral content again. And number 5, brush with a fluoride toothpaste, because this will help to re-strengthen your teeth again. It's always a good idea to just spit out the excess toothpaste and not rinse your mouth with anything, no mouthwash or water, because you want to keep as much of the fluoride from the toothpaste on your teeth for as long as possible. How can dental erosion be treated? So sometimes when you have erosion, it doesn't actually need any treatment, but it might be needed to be kept under monitor. And this is why it is so important to make sure that you attend for your regular checkups at the dentist, so that they can intervene with any treatment when necessary. If, however, you do need some treatment for your erosion to help protect the underlying dentine, then your dentist will advise you about that. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the thumbs up. If there are any other videos that you would like me to make, then please comment that in the section below, and also hit the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Thank you for listening.